to do a quick review about this product right here. This is the MARS Pore Cure Primer. I'm gonna do a quick little wear test and I'm gonna show you how it looks on my skin and how it made my entire products work on my face. So yeah, if you want to see the video, keep on watching. Alright, so right now, since I have a bare moisturized face, I'm gonna go in with some primer. And today we're reviewing about this primer right here. The primer is from MARS. It's called the Pore Cure Primer, smoothening and pore filling primer that mattifies your skin and creates a perfect base. Alright, it's 30 ml of product and the product looks like this. Yeah, it's very fancy. Very fancy. It claims to smooth your pores and stuff like that, like mattify your face, and especially for people with oily skin like me, you need something like that. And yeah, it creates the perfect base, helps to control oil all day, great for all skin types. And yeah, so I'm gonna review this product and we're gonna see how this sits on my skin. So first of all, for starters, the packaging is phenomenal. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but I mean, can y'all? I think it looks white to y'all, but to me it's this iridescent pinkish white packaging which is very pretty. Plus, like, it has there is gold writing on it, which is also very pretty. The gold cap, it says the same thing on the bottle. And from what I have used this once, and from what I know is that this product is a silicone based primer. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply it on my hand for y'all. Like, I don't know if y'all can see this. Yep. So I applied a small bead. Yes, I applied a small bead, and as you can see, it's a silicone based primer. It's super soft to touch. Like, I mean, it's very smooth. It feels extremely smooth, and like, you know, it has a slight fragrance to it, but yeah, nothing that will you know, bother you. Okay, and I've blended it on my hand and my hand seems really smooth, like compared to this, which is quite rough. This is quite smooth, like things will glide onto this. So yeah, without doing too much of bunkers, let's just get into it. So how I apply my primer is I put a few dots here, mainly where I like sweat and I have a lot of pores visible. So my forehead, although I have a fringe so nothing is seen, my nose especially, and a little bit on the chin. So basically, and then basically everywhere. I put primer everywhere because I just like a whole smooth base. So yeah, so I've got this everywhere and I've got a little bit on my finger and I'm just gonna massage it. And now I'm gonna blend it all over. By the way, this feels super moisturizing. I'm gonna drag it down to my neck as well. It feels super moisturizing, like super. And now just to set everything in, I'm gonna just press it into my skin. So it, like, you know, fills in my pores. Yeah, and I think I'm pretty done. According to me, my face looks really smooth. Like, I think it has a little bit of shine. Like, it looks moisturized. It's not like straight up matte, but it's moisturized and it's smooth, like a velvet finish. And I think makeup will sit really well. So yeah, I'm gonna let the primer sit for a minute, and immediately after that I'm gonna get my whole face done and I'll be right back. And yeah guys, this is the final makeup look. As you all can see, my makeup has sat super smoothly on my skin. You can see like I don't look oily, but I do look very healthy and glowy. Like my foundation has sat well. So yeah, I think the primer was definitely a good buy. I don't know if I'm gonna keep repurchasing it or no. It's just my third time using it, but I definitely like it for every day. It has made my skin really nice and smooth. Plus it's a little moisturizing also, so that's great. Yeah, as for this primer, I think it's pretty budget friendly compared to the high-end primers out there. It's not that cheap from what I remember, but let me just check. Yeah, so I think the primer's around like, yeah, 329 it says over here. The primer says that it's 329 bucks. I would say that's not a budget friendly, but it's like a primer, like it's an average budget primer, hoping that's a word. But yeah, you do get cheaper primers than this. They also work really good, but since I have this has been great. It's made my face super smooth. I have tested this out on a 12-hour day, and my face was phenomenal even at the end of the day. I mean, I was very sweaty because obviously right now in Mumbai the heat is crazy, but yeah, my makeup was still on, and yeah, everything was pretty nice. So yeah guys, if you like this quick little review, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.